Okay, so what we have here is a sheet of actual versus budgeted expenses on a project. I kept it simple, but Codex gave me too much. I said, you've gone one step too far. I really just want variance and variance percentage out and the RAG as well, and then just create an HTML standalone that calculates the variance on each item. I'm sure every project manager knows exactly what this means. And there's the HTML standalone that calculates. And once we click that, it gives us a RAG status on the right-hand side there, which is really cool. That was the prompt. I'll put the prompt in the description so that you can use it going forward. But I want more. I want more now. I want to be able to upload a file. And there I'm telling it, I want to be able to upload a file and it must recalculate depending on the file I upload. The file is a simple Excel file and it's going to be very nice to me. It's going to say, sure, CSV is fine as well. So there must be a space on this little dashboard where I can actually upload the file with new figures on budget and actual. And then that makes it a usable tool across the board, no matter what project we're working with. And it doesn't matter how many records, as long as you keep that format, item, budget, and actuals, which you could obviously create in MS Project, quite easy, and then you could export to Excel or a CSV file. So that's the question I'm asking it. Let's see if it complies. I had to cut a bit of this video out because it works quite hard on this. What it's going to do is going to take some lines out. It's going to put some lines in. Yes, it says. Yes, it says. Okay, so let's go. You'll see the little numbers appear showing how many lines it adds to its original HTML and how many numbers it removes. There we go, the green and the red, look at that. So it's quite impressive. It goes through all the motions. I've cut the video a bit, but it's telling me all the things it did. All the things it did. Green and red, lines added, lines subtracted from the original code. Now remember, this is going to be a standalone HTML. Standalone HTML, which then can be used on any computer, provided the input file, which you're looking at over there, is the same format, 3 columns, very simple columns. Of course, you could go ahead and make it far more complex. I just kept it simple for the purposes of the video. So let's look at what it does. Does it actually change this? Does it actually create a new dashboard that allows me to upload a file? Waiting in anticipation. Let's see what it does. And it seems to be happy. So let's activate that file. There's that file. We activate it. And there we go, right at the top there. Look, choose file. I then went ahead and created a file with catastrophic figures. So it'll all be red. But let's import that file and see if it works. If it reads that file, and click on choose file. I put it in my YouTube channel, YouTube folder, and we're about to choose the file. There we go. And immediately it calculates at 161.9% variance overall, and everything is red. Pretty poor project, I must say. But that's really worthwhile. I go ahead and ask it, okay, is this usable on any other machine? Is it a standalone file? And I've done this many times, also with financial institutions. And it really does work, provided you provide the parameters. And the parameters are, this must be standalone. This can run. It runs in a web page on any machine. There we go. It says yes, quite happy with that. It will work. And not only that, but with CSV files as well. How amazing is that?